Hello and welcome to this video blog. My name is Mirko Bonello and I am Solution Architect for Microsoft Dynamics 365 and the Power Platform, and I'm also CTO at Bluefort, which is a Microsoft Gold partner. This video blog is linked to an official post on the Microsoft Dynamics community's blogs. So feel free to reach out for me there if you have any questions or if you're interested in these solutions, and I'm also available on LinkedIn and Twitter. In this video I will show you how easy it is using features of the Power Platform to integrate systems which are hosted in the cloud to those which are hosted on-prem. In this case I will be integrating Microsoft Dynamics 365 for Sales to Microsoft Access, which is a legacy application hosted on-prem. And this will solve a lot of problems for those companies who are working both with a cloud solution such as Microsoft Dynamics 365 and also a legacy on-prem solution, and where they would like to synchronize data between the two applications. I will start the demo. So here I will create an account record in Microsoft Dynamics 365. I will create the account called controls or orange juice. I will give a city, say Rome, country, Italy, annual revenue 100,000 euros. And now I will be saving this record, and what will happen is that a Power Automate flow will trigger upon saving of this record, which will then trigger another flow which is of type RPA, Robotic Process Automation, which will access the system which is on-prem, open the Access database and create a customer record in the Access database. This shows how easy it is for Power users and citizen developers to build automatic processes which replace a lot of manual data duplication between systems. Of course, for this demo I am displaying this in attended mode, but when you are having such an integration happening, it could also happen in unattended mode, meaning that someone does not need to be logged in to a PC, physically logged into a PC for this to work. It could happen in the background. But of course, to be able to demo it to you, and even for you, even if you need to test such a solution, you would also need to test it in attended mode where you actually see it happening. So now when you see my mouse pointer being moved, that movement is being triggered and is done automatically by the robot. So I will not be touching my mouse or the keyboard or the machine in any way. And again, it's possible for us to see such movement because we are testing it in attended mode, which is a property on the flow which is being triggered. So here we go. Microsoft Access is being opened. The robotic automation now has opened a form which is tied to the customer's data source, which is a table in the database. So it is using the same form an actual user would use if he or she had to manually duplicate the data. So again, if you have any validations, of course they will trigger, and it is exactly the same process like when you have just created the record manually. So now the flow has triggered, access is automatically closed. So what I will do now, I will open Microsoft Access manually. So now I'm back in control of the machine using the mouse. I will open the same database that the flow triggered. You can see in this database I only have one table and one form, just to keep it simple for this demo. I will open the customers table, and as you can see, the last record is Contosa orange juice in Italy, Rome, with 100,000 worth of revenue. And you can also see some more other records that I synchronized in previous flows. Of course, in this demo, to keep it simple, I only mapped 4 fields: the name, the country code, the city, and the revenue. In your scenarios, you could of course map as many fields as you would like. And this is the end of the demo. I hope you enjoyed it. In another demo, I will show you more details how you could build something on this. If you have any questions, or if you like this kind of solution and would like to get in touch with me and the rest of the team, feel free to reach out on LinkedIn, Twitter, Dynamics Communities, or via my email, which is mbonello@bluefort.com.mt. Thank you very much. See you next time.